Hello, I'm going to show you how to pay for Calkia products with your bank. The first thing, you just click on the app, you click on more, then you click on cards which are products selected, then you click checkout, you put the shipping address here, you click on the billing address, you click again on the address, then you click on proceed. Then you click on pay stock, then you click on pay with bank. You come down here, you choose your bank to start the payment. You click here to choose. Then we have 3 banks here: Alert by Wema, Kuda Bank, and Zenith Bank. So I'm going to choose Zenith. Then you write the bank account number, which are 10 digits. Then you verify account. When you write your account number here, you click on the verify account. Your bank will send you a alert. We're done with this episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ding the bell to notify you of our new videos.